Hello friends, welcome back to App Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you fix if your Discord is randomly disconnecting. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to solve this issue, first of all, let's know the root of this issue. Mostly this type of issue happens when your internet connection is not stable. So first of all, you have to check if your internet connection is stable or not. Now, if it's unstable, first thing that you have to do is to make it stable. Now, how to make it stable? You just simply check your routers or your drivers into your computer or the connectivity into your mobile device. And after that, the second thing you have to do is check your account if it's too loaded with the not so managed channels and the servers with malwares. You might have that, and just simply find that out and leave that servers and delete the downloaded files from the Discord, and then the problem might get fixed. Otherwise, you should just simply delete the Discord application and then install it again, and this problem will be fixed. And this way you can fix the randomly disconnects issue. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video.